Get creative in the kitchen with this built-in electric single oven from Bosch, which has clever features to help you achieve excellent cooking results. With a large 66-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including a defrost and grill setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Bosch's 3D hot air system creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back of the cavity circulates hot air, which is released through several vents to spread heat quickly throughout the oven. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf, and because the hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer, so you can make a variety of meals at the same time. This model has a special coating on the inside to make cleaning effortless. The oven cavity is covered in grease-proof enamel, which stops food from sticking, so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. Now your oven is really easy to maintain and you'll save time on cleaning. If you're looking for an electric single oven with clever features to help you achieve excellent cooking results, this built-in model from Bosch is the perfect choice.